passion is insane.
4,000 yeses.
Hello! It was February this year when one of my favorite dance groups here in the Philippines
It was amazing.
got me excited. Nakita ko sila sa social media when they tried their fate and their luck in one of the biggest stage in the world when it comes to talent competitions, Britain's Got Talent. Yes, and that is
obsequious.
And ngayon, mas excited naman ako dahil nakita ko sila kanina as they are leaving for London. And guess what? Dahil sa panunood natin at pagsusubaybay ng mga talent competitions sa iba't ibang panig ng ating daigdig, ay nalaman natin na nasa 4th round na tayo ng semifinals sa Britain's Got Talent.
Hi, mate.
And
what's up, mate?
Ano ang ibig sabihin nun? Dahil nakapasa sila sa auditions, they will be part, most probably, of the 4th wave of the live semifinals in Britain's Got Talent. I have been a follower of this group, especially since I have been following their leader, Kennedy Cortez, even during his FMD days. And of course, sino ba naman ang hindi nakakakilala sa dance community? Ang nakakaaliw na si Wamos, who is also associated with the group. Yun nga lang ay hindi siya part ng lineup sa BGT. And now, let us take a peek of their audition piece para malaman ng iba paano sila kumilos, gumalaw at magpasigaw, kung gaano sila kagaling with their intricate style of dancing themed with famous rock and roll tracks. Here they are.
What the hell?
A band name.
Love the Philippines.
You love it when international acts come on this stage and you work so hard and we can feel how much this means to you. Your passion is insane.
That's how you rock Blackpool!
He's genius. The choreography was superb. The execution, absolutely sensational.
The whole of Blackpool here loved it. It was amazing.
I can't remember a dance act whose music was rock and roll. It makes you so much more exciting. Bruno? Yes!
It's absolutely yes.
Blackpool? Four thousand yeses.
We got your backs. All out prayers and support here from the Filipino community. Whatever the results will be, we Filipinos are extremely proud of you.